Here she comes, folks. Setting up right by the crossing. Give you guys a little bit of the crossing. Just a standard wooden one. Welcome back, 400! Welcome back! Bang! Color! Haha! That's what you did, cool! Okay, they're gonna stop in Pemboy, I can tell you that. Oh, they're definitely stopping a Pembine. No, Barry, just make it free, buddy. Make it a camera. That's all I ask. Make it from the camera. Yeah, camera. Just make it for me. Aha! There you go! Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to hit the like and subscribe. And as always, see you guys later. Peace out, everybody. Ready?